What can you tell about a person by looking at their face? Can you tell that someone's a narcissist just by looking at them?
That's a great question. I've known many narcissists in my life, and I noticed over the years that there is a kind of a facial quality to narcissists. Narcissists often give the impression that they're interested in you, they like you, they're listening to you, but it's not the kind of attention where they're really interested in you. They're trying to get something from you. They're trying to get you to like them so that they can now use you. There's a kind of a deadness in their eyes. They're looking at you, they're listening to you, but you can see they're not really connecting. The wheels are spinning inside their brain about what they can do with the information you're giving them. There's also this kind of smile that is slightly demonic. It doesn't feel like it's directed towards other people. So oftentimes when you smile and you laugh, it's a social thing. You're responding to other people. There's kind of a communion going on between you. But the narcissist, there's something, they're just stuck inside themselves. There's kind of a demonic quality to when they laugh and to when they smile.